If you're watching this, you know you're in antarazouqh. And today I'm going to share with you my amazing recipe of jam bars. Today I will be using Rasbhari chutney as the jam, but you can make these bars with any kind of jam that you have in your fridge. It could even be a jam which is store-bought. You will find all the measurements written down below in the description box. So let's start. Beat in some oil with a combination of white and brown sugar. Now here you have to make the mixture quite light and fluffy. So if you're using your hands to whip up, please take that extra minute to whip it properly, like so. Now add in an egg followed with vanilla. I forgot to add it in this stage, hence I had to add it later. But this would be the right stage to add vanilla in the recipe. Once the mixture is light and fluffy, like so, remove the attachment and take a combination of whole wheat and white flour and sieve it through. Now, in any baking recipes, the measurements of the ingredients are of utmost importance. Make it accordingly. Now just combine the flour and the egg mixture together, like so. And fold in 1.5 cups of instant rolled oats. In a pan which is already oiled and kept so that the bars come out easily after baking, spread a thin layer of the mixture. Now on top of the layer of the oats mix, spread over a generous amount of jam. Again, any kind of jam works here. I have always made these bars with homemade jam, and this time I'm using Rasbhari chutney as my filling. If you want the recipe, the information tag on the video would take you there, and also I will mention it in the description box below. Now taking some more dough in your hand, just strew the top of the jam with the dough, with some parts peeking out and some parts being covered with the dough. This looks really pretty once baked. Now bake it in an already preheated oven at about 180 degrees to 200 degrees C for 20 to 25 minutes. Check it once at 20 minutes. Check if you need to rotate the pan once and then continue on. This is a classic recipe which is a cross between a cake and a cookie. And you can use it like so, and it pairs really well with coffee as well as tea. I hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers!